The Federal Plain Language Guidelines offer some great tips for creating content to help your viewers find what they need, understand what they find, and use what they find to meet their needs. The first step is to identify and write for your audience. If you're trying to reach multiple audiences, address them separately. Remember that even though your document may affect 1,000 or 1,000,000 people, you're still speaking to the one person who is reading it. When your writing reflects this, it's more economical and has a greater impact. Another great resource for writing clearly is the Agency for Healthcare Research and Quality. This organization has put together a toolkit or checklist for audiovisual materials. The checklist has sections that include content, word choice, style, organization, layout and design, use of visual aids, and actionability. This is a great tool to use as you're planning your digital projects that relate to health. One last tool that I'll highlight is the Everyday Words for Public Health Communications provided by the CDC. This interactive website offers a list of commonly used jargon and offers easier to understand simplified alternative words.